Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to install iPhone apps without a password. It's pretty quick and simple, so just jump in. I'm my app store open right now, and say I'm trying to just download some apps, and it's always prompting me for a password. There is a way to turn that off, and it's super easy. So if you don't want to put in your password every time you want to install an app, this is how you do it. We're going to go out of our app store right now and over to our settings. Once you're in settings, it's going to look like this, and what we want to do is click on the very top where it says Apple ID, iCloud, and Media and Purchases. Once there, we're going to go to Media and Purchases, and then we're going to click on Password Settings. Now here it gives you the option of, having a required password every time you purchase, which is what mine is on, or after 15 minutes. So once you log in, you have like 15 minutes to buy things. And then after you've already put in your password once, it will allow you another 15 minutes. You don't have to keep putting in a password every time you want to purchase something. Now, what is automatically turned off on your phones usually is this thing at the bottom, free downloads, require password. So if it's a free app and you want to, not have to put in a password every time for a free app, all you have to do is toggle this on, and now you never have to put in a password if it's a free app. Now, if it's going to cost money, then you're going to have to always put in a password, but this is a way around that if it's a free app and you don't want to always put in your password. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.